Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Study with me. Today I am going to discuss about headache. What is headache? Headache is defined as a pain in the head or upper neck. It is one of the most common location of the pain in the body and has many causes. There are mainly two types of headache: primary headache and secondary headache. Primary headache. Primary headache include migraine tension and cluster headache. Now we are discussing about migraine headache. What is migraine headache? It is characterized by a trial of paroxysmal headache, vomiting and focal neurological events. It is more common in female than males. General measures: avoidance of precipitant, relaxation to reduce stress. What medicine we can use? We can use of medicine paracetamol 1 gram immediately, then every 4 hours. Maximum 4g per day. We can use aspirin 600 mg. Repeat after 4 hours if needed. Metoclopramide oral or IM we can use 10 mg twice a day or 3 times a day. Propranolol 80 to 160 mg daily. Amitriptyline 10 to 50 mg at night only. Now we are discussing about tension headache. It is the tension headache are the most frequently occurring type of the headache. The causes is most likely contraction of the muscle that cover the skull. When the muscle covering the skull are stressed, they may spasm and cause pain. Diagnosis of tension headache. The pain begins in the back of the head and upper neck. The pain usually is mild and bilateral. The pain is not associated with the aura, nausea, vomiting, or sensitivity to light and sound. Medicine we can use aspirin 300 to 900 mg orally every day, 6 to 8 hours, maximum 4g daily. Second one we can use medicine ibuprofen 1.2 to 1.8g daily in 3 to 4 divided doses. Paracetamol also we can use 1g orally 8 hours. Naproxen also we can use 0.5 to 1g in 1 to 2 divided daily doses. Now we are discussing about cluster headache. Cluster headache are headache that comes in the group lasting weeks or months, separated by pain-free period of months or years. The causes of the cluster headache is uncertain. Diagnosis of the cluster headache. Pain typically occurs once or twice daily and last for 30 to 90 minutes. Attacks tend to occur to about the same time every day. The pain typically is excruciating and located around or behind on the eye. Medicine we can use sumatriptan 6 mg. Doses may be repeated after 1 hour. Maximum doses 12 mg a day. 100% oxygen at the rate of 10 to 15 liter per minute for 10 to 20 minutes. Verapamil 240 mg to 960 mg orally, 8 to 12 hour divided doses. Amitriptyline 25 to 50 mg orally daily. Now we are discussing about secondary headache. Secondary headache are due to an underlying disease or injury that needed to the diagnosis and treated. Early diagnosis and treatment is essential if damage is to be limited. Example of secondary headache: head, neck trauma, blood vessels problem in the head or and neck. Infection, malaria, meningitis, encephalitis, HIV or AIDS, systemic infection. Diagnosis: if there is a time, the diagnosis of secondary headache begins with a complete patient history, followed by the physical examination and laboratory and radiology test. Thank you for watching my video.